my name is Payal. In this particular analysis, first I have loaded all the necessary files here in the starting. Then I have read the data which was provided in CSV file. I was just checking out what was the data about. So I just did df.head and I analyzed the data. So it was actually few recipes were given with ratings, calories, protein, fat, sodium, and other informations too, like meals, how much time it will take to form a meal, ingredients, some festives in which the particular meal is being prepared. So for understanding the data, I have gone for a better insight using describe and shaping the data. The first analysis, basic analysis I did was to remove the duplicates, which I did by dropping the duplicate values. And again, I have checked the data size, which got reduced. Of course, duplicates were there. Later, I have tackled the problem of missing values, and I have imputed the missing values using uh, median. First, I was thinking to go for removing those missing values as it was a considerable amount of value. It would be difficult if I just remove it. The data will be inconsistent. So I just took a call and did it using median. Uh, so the missing value has been removed. Outlier detection, I didn't feel the need of doing that as the calories, even the protein can depends on what kind of meal we are preparing, whether it's a high calorie, low calorie, in which cheese, butter, oil, whatever it is being cooked. So every other ingredients is very dependable, and I cannot just say by looking at a particular meal what kind of amount of things are being added to that particular meal. So yeah, I didn't feel the need of doing outlier. In the EDA process, I first made a correlation map. I used heat maps and I can see there is a correlation, and the values 1 show high correlation, whereas the value 0.011 show low correlation, and even 0.99 between sodium and fat. Yeah, there is a correlation. For the same, I made a box plot also to understand the uh, dependency. Uh, Later, in the next visualization, I just create a pair plot between all the key nutritional values. Those are rating, calories, protein, fat, and sodium. And these are the core pair plot which came out, which shows a decent values here. And the relationship is being shown decently. For the same, to get to know better, I just understood how the ratings are being distributed using a histogram. So from this particular graph, we can get the insights that mostly the ingredients have rating between 4 and 4 point something, between 4 and 5, not 5 actually, starting from 4, not ending with 5. This is the, we can say 4 is the maximum rating we are getting it. Next visualization that I did was to understand how the calories and ratings are being affected. So yeah, I can say that there was not much thing that I could conclude between these two scatter plot. I didn't saw much insights in this data. The last question which was asked to me was how would be the rating affected, like high rated ingredients, what will be the top three if the rating was high. So first I have calculated what will be the rating, high rated values first of all. Then on the I have just counted them to understand the data in a better way. And as the data is starting from the 15th value, that's what I have assumed. Like before that it was just some other value, column values which was given. So in the end I just understood, I just made a bar graph here, and bar plot have shown me few ingredients which came in the later part, which is tomato, onion, fruit, and milk cream are the top three ingredients that I have used, that is being used in the top rating meals. For my own visualization, I just understood how a 22 minutes meal would affect the rating. There was no much relationship. Same for 3 ingredient recipe. There was also not much correlationship I was seeing. Few answers that were asked to me, I have written those answers, like how the user experience will be for the platform. So I have added those answers in this particular notebook. And the last visualization I did was how the vegetarian non-vegetarian has been divided in this particular data set. So clearly we can have a visualization that the vegetarian count is very less as compared to the non-vegetarian count. So thank you. This was my whole analysis that I have done in this particular project that was given to me. Thanks.